Well, if you've been craving a good tater tot casserole, you'll want to give this slow cooker recipe a try. Howard shows us how to make chicken ranch casserole in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the years, we've shared a bunch of slow cooker recipes with you. And because they're so tasty and easy to make, you keep asking us for more and more. So here's another one that we know you're gonna love. It's a slow cooker favorite with a bonus, potato tots. To begin, we line the bottom of our slow cooker with a good amount of potato tots. Then layer that with a blend of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese, and top it with some crumbled bacon. Next, we coat both sides of some boneless, skinless chicken breast with some dry ranch dressing mix that we added a bit of salt and pepper to. And we place those on top of our bacon layer. Now we'll repeat the layers and pour some milk over the whole thing. Then we simply set it and forget it. Come dinner time, all you need to do is make a salad and call the troops to the table. What we like about this, besides how easy it is that it's packed with flavor and is budget friendly too. To get the recipe for what we call our chicken ranch casserole, just visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a family favorite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That does look good. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4 state market prices.